Welcome to Update Douglas, the latest in our named series of updates for the What Caused This root cause analysis platform. This update has been driven by client feedback from our kind development partners and led by our product and UX team. The majority of the updates here are visual, ensuring a cleaner, more modern experience for you when using the platform. This new Create flow has the areas that you are familiar with, but designed in a way that is quicker and easier to use in a single form, requiring a lot less clicks. You can see the basic information here that you'll recognize. The focal point, which I haven't entered yet, which I'll enter now, as you can see, appears in the box on the right, as it does on the overview page and as you recognize from the analysis section. If we scroll down further, you can see an area previously known and labelled as severity has been renamed organisational priority. This is from feedback from our development partners and users and was believed to be a far more appropriate term for this area. I'll change my record to very high here. We select a reporting area, and in this new update, we can check this box, and if me as a user commonly uses the same reporting area for my records, it won't keep asking me to choose it each time. It will have it as a pre-selected option. When we come down here, we can, as before, choose the incident location to be the same as the reporting area, or we can pick one that exists in the platform and or add a new one, as you've always been able to. Another piece of direct client feedback was the desire to be able to type in the dates and the years in our platform instead of having to use the occasionally awkward clicker. And that goes for the time function as well. You can also see on the new update that at the top of each section area, which are collapsible, you can see the information entered in that area shows at the top when it's collapsed and or expanded. If I now create that RCA, it will take us to the overview page as you're used to. It shows us the areas we looked at in Update Connie, how we now manage the business functions, groups and team. And if I go to now edit the RCA record that I have built and come here, you can see the areas that we no longer need to edit or work with have been automatically collapsed. But the information within those areas shows in the headline sections. So for notes here, I can enter that information, compress that area, but I can still see that I've got some information in there at a glance and press save. So as a summary for Update Douglas, it's a design and UX-led update, mainly driven by the feedback we have from our valued development partners, given a cleaner, more modern experience in the Create flow when you create and edit your records. Thank you for watching.